My name is Mary Zanecki, and I'm 54 years old. So I did some research on Dr. Beck and was not happy with my breast augmentation. I spoke to him and he guided me through a process of removing my implants and doing a breast lift to get a more natural look and appearance. So I had some additional consultations with other surgeons. He made me feel so at ease and comfortable, so I decided to go with him. The team was fantastic. They treated me like a friend and part of the family. I'm so happy with everything. I feel like I have a very natural appearance and look. I feel so much lighter and I feel so much more natural.